Are you a parent or someone who has a job but he or she is not making enough money and you are interested in starting a side hustle that can help you top up the money you are already making? Then watch this video till the end. You can make money online through affiliate marketing, and this is a new way to make money online in 2024. We have digital marketing where you don't have to deal with physical products. All you are dealing with is digital products, and it will be easier for you to make money doing digital marketing because you require just at least 1 hour a day after work to focus on the business and make money. We have platforms right now like TikTok where it's really good for anyone who is just getting started. So just comment interested. You can DM me and I'll be here to guide you. Please don't DM me if you are not serious about this, because I don't want people who are just here to waste my time, because time is money. People are currently making money online doing digital marketing, and this is a new thing because I realized that Jumia affiliate program is no longer working in Kenya. So I had to look for another opportunity that people can make money with, especially here in Kenya. Affiliate marketing in Kenya is not that really massive, and this is an opportunity to get in and make money. So if you want to learn, be ready to dedicate time to learn this skill, because there's no secret here. I've been doing affiliate marketing for the last 5 years and it is really working. And what I can say that even without the guidance, I was able to make money. I used YouTube, but for you, I'm here to guide you. All you need to do is just be dedicated and be willing to learn and implement what you are being taught. Because if you learn but you don't implement, you won't make money. So this for serious people. Share this video